In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this glowing cyberpunk-style statue effect in Affinity. Let's get started. Go to the Place Image tool from the left toolbar. Choose your image, click Open, then click and drag on the canvas to place it. Resize and position it in the center of the brick wall background. Now let's remove the original colors. Select your image layer in the Layers panel. Click the Adjustments icon and choose Black and White. We'll keep the default settings since they work perfectly for this effect. With the image layer selected, click Adjustments again and choose Levels. Adjust the settings like this. Move the black level to about 52%. Reduce the white level to around 85%. Set the gamma to approximately 1.54. This creates deep shadows and bright highlights that make the statue stand out beautifully. Once you're happy, close the Levels panel. Now duplicate the image layer and rename it Statue Copy. Now select the Statue Copy layer and click the FX icon to open the Layer Effects panel. Enable Outer Glow, then apply the following settings: Color, bright pink or magenta. Radius, 10 px. Intensity, around 10%. This adds a soft neon glow around the statue. Hold Shift and select both statue layers. Right-click and choose Group. Rename the group Main Statue. Keeping your layers organized will make the project much easier to manage. Let's add some realistic colored lighting. Create a new pixel layer inside the group layer. Select the Paintbrush tool. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Using a soft brush, gently paint around the edges of the hair, neck, and shoulders. Start with a bright pink color, then switch to cyan and blue to create natural-looking neon reflections. These subtle color accents help sell the illusion that the statue is being illuminated by neon lights. Now let's build the glowing ring. Select the Ellipse tool. Draw a large ellipse behind the statue. In the stroke settings, set the stroke width to 10 points. Change the stroke color to white. Remove the fill completely. Move the ellipse layer beneath the main statue group. With the ellipse selected, click the FX icon. Enable Outer Glow and use these settings. Blend mode, screen. Color, bright pink or magenta. Radius, 22 px. Intensity, 29%. Immediately you'll see that classic neon glow. Now duplicate the ellipse. With the duplicate selected, go to Adjustments and apply Gaussian blur. Increase the blur radius to around 22 pixels. This creates a softer outer glow and makes the neon look much more realistic. Select the main statue group. Click Adjustments and choose Gradient Map. Set up the gradient with these colors. Dark magenta on the left. Blue in the middle. Bright pink on the right. Change the blend mode to reflect. Lower the opacity to about 25%. This adds a beautiful cyberpunk color tone across the statue. Move the statue slightly to the left. This creates room for the text and improves the overall composition. Insert your main title. For this tutorial, we'll use the text, Neon Night. You can download the font from the description below. To make the text glow instantly, simply drag the FX icon from the neon ring layer onto the text layer. The glow settings will automatically be copied. Adjust the stroke width until it matches the size of your text. Add any additional text or design elements you'd like to personalize the poster. Now let's blend everything together. Create another new pixel layer above the background. Choose the paintbrush tool. Set the blend mode to overlay. Using soft brushes and different shades of pink, blue, and cyan, carefully paint around the background to simulate light spilling from the neon ring. These subtle lighting effects add depth and make the artwork feel much more realistic. This creates a soft bloom around the text, making it look like it's actually emitting light. And that's it! You've successfully created a vibrant neon statue poster with realistic glow, dramatic lighting, and a modern cyberpunk aesthetic.